University, Delhi, and is approved by All India Council for Technical Education, Ministry of HRD, Government of India for its management course, and Bar Council of India for its law course. The institute conducts the program of MBA First and Second Shift, MBA International Business, BBA First and Second Shift, BBA LLB, and MBA LLB. The institute is declared by A grade by NAAC and assessed as a category A cluster by Joint Assessment Committee of Government of Delhi and Guru Gobind Singh Agricultural University. Gitarajan International Business School was awarded the Intershala certificate showing its excellence in internship. Out of more than 500 participating institutions throughout India, it achieved 30th All India rank in the Intershala annual ranking 2022 and 13th zonal rank out of 98 participating colleges in North Goa. The rank was calculated based on the internship selection between the years 2022 to Intershala. I would like to thank Honorable Vice Chairman Sir, Dean Ma'am and Director Sir for today's workshop. Today's workshop aims to offer valuable insight into developing products for the service that truly meets market demand. This workshop also enriches academic knowledge along with practical skills, critical thinking abilities, entrepreneurship mindset, and expected that to serve as a valuable asset throughout the academic journey and future career. This event promises to be an engaging and enlightening experience for our participants, empowering them with the tool they can apply in the world of business and entrepreneurship. I would now like to introduce our resource person, Ms. Kamya Dixit, who has invited us with our valuable knowledge and exceptional experience. Ms. Kamya Dixit ma'am has been very active in startup of ecosystem for last 7 years. She has completed her graduation and her post-graduation in biotechnology from IIT Roorkee and has done an MBA in entrepreneurship from Gujarat University. She has been a serial STEM entrepreneur and has been founding team of several startups earlier. Discipline, expertise, research, interest area, passionate about innovation and how one can turn ideas to concentrate products and solutions. I'm a specialist in life science area and love of STEM education. But enough of journalists on innovation, strategy, entrepreneurship and leadership to be capable of connecting different people with different interests and guide them to success. She loves to think of consumer perspective and couple that with the management and enterprise expertise to create a novel model of businesses and solutions. She has made her career as an expert in biotechnology and pharmaceutical background, dealing also with innovation and entrepreneurship, with a special focus on biotechnology and product development for pharmaceuticals, personal care and cosmetics, nutraceuticals and consumer goods market. She has founded 3 startups including EduFit, a top-class educational tech company imparting K-12 education, which was acquired in 2009 by Bright Camps. She also led the technological development of Fabian Enterprises Private Limited, an award-winning bioplastic startup, first ranked across the 72 countries participating in the UK FinTech Challenge 2009, that converted into technological patent. Her skills put her on the major international and national decision and strategy making boards. She has been an advisor to many startup companies, market intelligence and consulting firms including Elisa Impact, Bates Pilani and Atlas Tech University. Her range of action goes from pharma and biotech product development, regulatory and intellectual property, management, clinical development, business strategy, leadership and innovation resource management, entrepreneurship and education. She is currently a senior scientist and in charge of incubation at Shriram Institute for Industrial Research, Gurugram. Her current startup, Rare Technology Private Limited, focuses on data-driven rehabilitation model and is a solution provider for more than 10,000 patients now. The Smart Insole innovation by the company was selected among the top 75 innovations of India across 75,000 DPIIT registered startups and displayed during the 75th Independence Day celebration at Vigyan Bhavan in New Delhi. Her startup is now getting acquired by a leading consumer tech company in the country. Now I request Dr. Jatin Ambassador to do being welcome.
Wonderful scene मैंने created All of you are talking. That's how you welcome your guests. Do you? Yes, ma'am. Okay, great. Now you can have a round of applause for yourselves. Come on. It's fine. All right. So, can anyone read what's written on the slide? Entrepreneurship is living a few years of your life like most people won't. Most people won't, so that you can spend the rest of your life like most people can't. Is it relatable? कितने लोग शार्क टैंक देखते हैं? देखते हो ना? Okay. For those of you who feel the best entrepreneurs are the ones who don't study, are the ones who are backbenchers, go and check out the educational pedigree of the top entrepreneurs of the world. Elon Musk. What did he study? Do you know? He studied. I want business students to be smarter. Come on. I've taught at technology schools. What did Elon Musk study? Science. Science. What is science? Don't discuss among yourselves. Okay? Whatever you want to speak, raise your hand and speak. Behave like graduate business students. You are in a professional setting. I expect you to behave like that. Am I clear? Great. Alright. Let's move on. That's a little bit of homework for you. Google the top entrepreneurs of the world. Look at their education. And then disregard education. Okay? Entrepreneurs, one of the best of India. Hitesh Agarwal is a very good friend of mine. He didn't study formal education, but he was a Peter Thiel fellow. How many of you know about Peter Thiel? Peter Thiel, anyone? Yes, young man. Elon Musk के साथ काम करता था. Okay? PayPal. Okay, good. Anyone else? Peter Thiel? थोड़ा पढ़ना पड़ेगा, है ना? तो उन्होंने क्या किया था? He launched a fellowship for college dropouts. This fellowship is also formal education. Education के बिना startup नहीं कर सकते, business नहीं कर सकते. तो पढ़ लो, मौका मिल रहा है. Your parents are paying for this, right? When I say पढ़ लो, it doesn't mean you have to, go through books and all. I'm an IITian. Even I did last day one-nighters. I pulled off one-nighters. But when you are in a professional setting, you have to be sincere. You have to let your ears. Shortly we'll talk about why listening is so important. Okay. So today is structured in 4 parts. First, I'll be talking about myself, my journey as an entrepreneur, and now on the other side, as an investor. I've invested in 5 companies now. As a teacher, because that's closest to my heart, I like teaching. I'm very, very passionate about it. And of course, as an enabler of the overall startup ecosystem, right? So there are 3 sentences written here. Who are entrepreneurs? Recognize opportunities where others see chaos or confusion. When I entered the class, if I was not an entrepreneur, I would run away. Believe me. Itna chaos tha, itna confusion tha. And normal teacher gets intimidated. Guys, please be considerate towards your teacher. Okay? Point number 1. Are aggressive catalysts for change within the marketplace. Hindi, English. You're comfortable with English, right? Or you want me to deliver in Hindi? I'm also good you mean by change within the marketplace? Anyone? Raise your hand, I'll pass the mic to you. How many of you know about cryptocurrency? Can I have a quick raise of hands? Cryptocurrency? Question नहीं पूछेंगे बाबा, हाथ उठाओ. Cryptocurrency सुना है कभी? किसने लाए, कौन लोग लेके आए? Entrepreneurs, right? Catalysts for change. वही बोलते हैं, उसी को entrepreneur बोलते हैं. जो चीज आप सोच भी नहीं रहे हैं. I was the very first intern hired at Ola. At that time, Ola was not even a thing. Right? Avish Agarwal, he's an IIT Bombay graduate, and that was the time when I had just joined IIT Bombay. And I was hired as the intern. उस टाइम पे कुछ नहीं था. You heard of the story where Anupam Mittal of Shark Tank calls him up for a taxi. He's in Delhi. I was the person who received that call. I was the person who received that call. At that time, Ola used to do everything on a helpline number, right? क्या सोच रहे हो? कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग है तो बताओ. क्या something interesting to share? Ola use किया है सबने कभी? Good, good. So change within the marketplace essentially means अभी जो मार्केट है, अभी जो लोग हैं, 10 साल बाद कैसे होंगे, उतना विजनरी तुमको बनना पड़ेगा, तभी तुम बिजनेस कर पाओगे. You understand? Challenge the unknown and continuously create the future. Unknown, Ola को पता नहीं था, you know, whether this technology which works very well in the West, for that matter, Uber, will be successful in India. Why do you think? What could have been the reasons for failure? कभी सोचा है? अगर फेल होता तो क्यों होता? Number of cab drivers in India is too large. You hail a cab, भैया टैक्सी, रुक जाता है वहीं पे. जरूरत थी कोई आपकी? थी? उस टाइम पे थी? स्मार्टफोन थे लोगों के पास? नहीं थे. Why did their business rise? Because of, come on guys, you're business students. I need answers, I need interactivity. Girl at the corner, why do you think Ola had success in India? What's your name, ma'am? Your name, yeah. Beautiful girl, come on, stand up. अरे बाजू वाली खड़ी हो जाओ दोनों. Why did Ola succeed in India? Because come here. अभी आगे से जो भी बातें करेंगे इधर आके पढ़ाएंगे, ठीक है? Come on. Why did Ola succeed in India? Give me one reason and you can sit down.
मैम टेक्नोलॉजी वैसे भी आजकल
आजकल नहीं, फोन की यूजेज बढ़ गई थी, ऐसे बोला, right? And they had sensed it. They had seen the numbers. Believe me, that guy, क्या नाम है ओला के फाउंडर का? ये पता होना चाहिए. That guy was thrown out of IIT Bombay. When he started Ola, the institute was not very okay with him operating out of the hostels. IIT में 17 hostels हैं for guys, 3 hostels हैं for girls, right? He started his operations out of a girls hostel. Hostel 10 बोलते हैं उसको. किसकी इसने चूरन मूवी देखी है? The same hostel which was shown in the movie. Our operations started from there. I mean, as Ola, of course. And the hostel authorities, the girls warden was kind enough to give him a space. Other hostel wardens were not. So he was thrown out of campus even then after a year, and he used to operate out of a small police station just opposite the campus. The area is known as Powai in Mumbai. मैम आप मुंबई से आपको पता होगा. Powai police station पे 4 benches हैं. There are 4 benches just next to the police station. He got permission from the police to operate out of those 4 benches. people, 4 bitches, 1 crazy guy who changed the face of Kabul in India. You all agree? Okay. So challenge the unknown and continuously create the future. क्या किया उन्होंने? Future को create किया. Right? अरे थोड़ा clap तो करो यार. I always revel him and respect him a lot because my knowledge about startups, about entrepreneurship comes from that man. He's a great mentor. Identifying problems by listening. This is what we were just talking about, right? सुन लो. कल को क्या पता यहीं से कुछ क्लिक हो जाए, है ना? Amazon. I don't want to go shopping. I don't want to go to the store. मेरा टाइम वेस्ट होता है. Amazon ने ये प्रॉब्लम लोगों की सुन ली and they innovated on the same lines. Agree? Netflix का क्या है? हाँ भाई, क्या है? अरे anyone Google what's the problem statement? I don't know the answers to a lot of things. Where do I go? That problem statement. Hello. तो business student हो कल को ये उसके सही स्किल होगा ना problem होगी. Companies, can I have a raise of hands? How many of you aspire to be a consulting company? क्या करोगे? How many of you aspire to be a consulting company? मैं तो भी BCG, Deloitte, McKinsey. All right. So anything that you don't know an answer for, you go to Google. Netflix. I have so much to do and no time to cook. Swiggy. Right? How many of you are outstation over here? Local कितने हैं? जान के देखिए. सब दिल्ली के हैं. अरे सब दिल्ली के हैं. क्या बात है? Okay. Nobody is from outside. You are from outside. Which place? जमशेदपुर है तो मेरे घर के पास है. Okay. Discuss a little bit about what I did as an entrepreneur. I was graduating from IIT Roorkee. बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है. हम घूमने जाते थे सारे दोस्त. एक दिन हमें लगा कि घूमने में बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. लोगों को एक्चुअल जगह अच्छी वाली नहीं देखने को मिलती है. So then we started this startup called Bird Voyage. Facebook पे स्टार्ट किया. उस टाइम पे Facebook was a big thing. Now you have Instagram. Now you have many other things. But Facebook was quite big back then. We started all our business on Facebook. And उसके through we did trips. We used to organize trips, camping. उत्तराखंड में थे. That was a strategic location advantage for us. And we did good business. Right? How many of you have been to Uttarakhand? Where have you been? Come on, tell me. Mussoorie? Mussoorie? हाँ? Sorry. अरे जोर से बोलो यार, क्या हो गया है? खाना खाया है सबने? नहीं खाया है? मैम खाना नहीं खाना दिया आपने? Group will get a party at the nearest multi-cuisine restaurant. ठीक है? Now the competition starts. Okay? Okay. So this was my first startup, and I did a few mistakes. I am very happy to admit those mistakes and tell what actually went wrong. अच्छा, that group, can few of you come forward? 3 of you. सबसे जो बदमाश बच्चे हैं इधर आ जाओ आगे. Come. Stand up and take your front seat. Not very visible, but 3 mistakes of my first startup. That's a very famous book by Chetan Gupta. That's why I titled it like that. But there are actually 3 mistakes that I did centrally. पहला mistake था living the dream too early, right? What does living the dream too early mean? Startup कर लिया, पैसे आ गए, मस्ती, right? That's what we dream of as youngsters. I was 21, 22, your age back then. So I had same aspirations. अब खुद के हिसाब से सोच लो. Living the dream too early was one of the few mistakes that we did as co-founders. We burned all of our profits, and of course, it backfired on us 4 years later. We had no cash reserves. Number 2 is not having a schedule. Although you are starting up, बहुत लोग बोलते हैं स्टार्टअप में 24 घंटे काम करना पड़ता है, ये होता है, वो होता है, schedule नहीं होता है, but it doesn't work that way. In real life, you have to have discipline, you have to have a schedule, you have to stick to a schedule. जो मम्मी पापा बोलते हैं ना, it does play out in your 30s. In your 20s, you often don't realize. लगता है यार अपना ही होता है, right? Time अपना ही है. Many times we completely disregard the value of a plan. What is a business plan? तुम लोगों ने कुछ तो पढ़ाई की होगी. Business plans देखा है कभी? What does a business plan look like? Anyone knows? Okay. Number 3, blueprint. Right? You know, outlining on a piece of paper कि मेरा आज का क्या है, कल का क्या रहेगा, present क्या है, right? What is the background of this business? So all of it comes together in the form of a consolidated document. Many of you who want to work with startups or organizations, you will be making business plans for every product that is launched. You know, my boss at IIT Bombay, she was the person who launched Titan Raga. You know the watches? So she had to make a business plan and show it to HUL and Titan that why this Raga brand will work or why won't it work. It's called a SWOT analysis. सुना है कभी? Yes. तो करना पड़ता है, सबको करना पड़ता है, right? At some point you will have to do the sooner the better. Stand out from your peers and start learning all of this as soon as possible, right? So in your first year of business, I'm not saying सब कुछ बना लो, 100 पेज का business plan बना लो, नहीं. But at least हर दिन का plan होना चाहिए. सुबह उठ के I'm going to make 250 calls today, or 50 calls, or 100 calls. ये मैं अपना sample दे रही हूँ, जो पहले साल में किया था. I'm going to make 250 calls today to my probable customers. इतना तो लिख सकते हो ना सुबह उठ के. Write it on a post-it. Do it. Don't sleep without doing it. Right? I'm going to give away 50 business cards today. These are very small pieces of sentence, but hold immense value. Because what you are doing essentially is outreach. ये बड़े-बड़े terms business की दुनिया में सुनते हैं, but these are essentially execution level things. तो execution level पे सोचना सीखो अभी थोड़ा, right? I'm going to network and connect with 50 people on social media today. तुम्हारी industry के कौन लोग हैं? तुम्हारी target audience कौन है? Have you heard of the concept of TAM SAM? Never? Total average market, serviceable. ये कहाँ से सीखा है? I'm learning new things. Every lecture that I take, you're the Gen Z. I'm very closer to you. 10 years probably तुमसे बड़ी हूँ, but still नया कुछ सीखने को मिला. अब मुझे सीखने को मिला, कोई कुछ पूछे, नहीं पता हो तो, ठीक है? Okay, good. I'm going to read an hour a day. I'm going to study my trade an hour per day, right? Very simple, clean sentences. उसमें एक्शन है. एक्शन है तो क्या करोगे हर दिन वो पता होना चाहिए. कितने लोगों को स्टार्टअप करना है इस रूम में? बाद जब कमाने की उम्र हो जाएगी, you'll be accountable. So सोच लो, है ना, क्या करना है? How many of you want to start up? Come on, कोई तो होगा। सबको डर लगता है। We started on the second journey. It was called EduFlip. आज भी है, हमने सोशल मीडिया पेजेस डिलीट अभी तक नहीं किए हैं। Very emotional journey for us. We started in 2017, 2016 actually. I took an exit in 2018, but during COVID we did very well. I sold off my shares and got a huge monetary exit out of this company. क्या हुआ? कितना? कितना? तुमको देख के कितना लग रहा है? 510 crores. Sorry? EdTech था, तो इसमें हम लोग क्या कर रहे थे? Basically, we used to make content for other companies. पहले हमने खुद पढ़ाना शुरू किया, फिर हमें पता चला कि हमारी स्ट्रेंथ एक्चुअली कंटेंट बनाने में है। तो जितना भी आप बायजूस के वीडियोस देखते हो या किसी और कंपनी के वीडियोस देखते हो, much of it was created by us. So we got acquired and acquired में एक डिफरेंस है। जो फाउंडर लीड्स होते हैं acquired में they start working with the new company और acquired में कंपनी को completely बेच दिया जाता है। So one of my co-founders started working with the other company. His name is Pratik. You can still find him. Great guy. And we sold it off for about $1 million. This company.
Yes, the back. It's inside.
8. Now it's 8. Back then it was around 7, actually a 7. So good exit. Both founders were happy. He got a huge perk. I sold my shares and walked off. But the biggest learnings in this particular startup is the importance of building a right team. हमने इस पे बहुत फोकस किया और 3 टाइप के लोग हर स्टार्टअप में जरूरी होते हैं. We call it the minimum viable team consists of 3 kind of people: hacker, hipster, hustler. Hacker कौन होता है? जो कोड लिखेगा, तुम्हारा एक्चुअल प्रोडक्ट तैयार करेगा. Most of the times I have been a hacker. Slowly I have also progressed into the hustler role along my journey, क्योंकि करना पड़ता है. Hustler कौन होता है? Marketing and business वाला. So all of you, most of you in this room, I believe, will be hustlers. If you do start up someday, you will be responsible for the growth of the company, outreach. कि अगर बनाना है business, right? What do you call it in local language? धंधा बनाना है तो बात करनी पड़ेगी लोगों से, उनसे कनेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. रिलेशनशिप इंडिया में सिर्फ बिजनेस किस पे चलती है? रिलेशनशिप्स. इट डजंट वर्क ऑन पेपर वर्क. दिस इज समथिंग आई रियलाइज द हार्ड वे. पेपर वर्क से कुछ नहीं होता है. You have to have good relationships, working relationships with the people you do business with. Am I making sense? तो ये वाला बंदा हसलर हमेशा देखना बहुत कॉर्डियल हो, बहुत वेल बिहेव्ड हो, है ना? जब भी तुम को-फाउंडर ढूंढ रहे हो, let's say you are the hipster and you are looking out for a hustler, these are some qualities you should be looking out for. Hipster कौन होता है? User experience. And it's a study कि सबसे अच्छे hipsters are actually females. Why? Because females bring a lot of empathy to the table. What is empathy? Empathy और sympathy में क्या difference है? बहुत भूख लगी है क्या?
किसी के बारे में फील करना,
Yes. Right. Very good. So empathy is actually feeling somebody's pain, and then you actually design the product to solve that pain, right? Whereas sympathy is simply feeling sympathetic for the other person and not trying to solve it. For a moment you probably feel sympathetic, but you don't really try to solve it, right? तो सबके फंक्शंस क्लियर हुए क्या क्या है? हैकर, हिपस्टर, हसलर। ऐसे 2 तरह के या 3 तरह के लोग हो सकते हैं तुम्हारे स्टार्टअप में, बट हर टाइप का, हर कैटेगरी का एक बंदा होना चाहिए। मेकिंग सेंस? इस स्टार्टअप में सबसे बड़ी लर्निंग मेरी यही थी। My co-founder, he was the person who takes care of our user experience, a class apart. He made our app and everything very user friendly. I took care of the coding part, and there was one more guy who joined us later as the hustler. Right? सब हो गया, बहुत अच्छे से एग्जिट हो गया 2017 में. Then I decided I do something in my own domain. I did my BTech and MTech in biotechnology, and I wanted to contribute to this domain. So I started a startup known as Fabio, PHA Bio. PHA is a molecule which is a biodegradable plastic. You can make it from bacteria, biomass से तैयार होता है. Beer पीते हैं सब? नहीं पीते हैं? No teachers are here, of course you'll say that. But anyway, the spent grain that is left after beer processing, we used to make plastics from that. Great technology. Our first pilot happened with Avinbev. Avinbev is a leading beer manufacturer of the country. The most expensive high-end beers that you have seen in the market today are made by Avinbev. सोनीपत में सबसे बड़ा प्लांट है उनका. हमारा सबसे पहला पायलट सोनीपत में हुआ. They gave us a huge contract for manufacturing the labels of their beer. आज भी आप जो labels देखते हो उसी टेक्नोलॉजी से बनती है, right? So they wanted to have that sustainability angle, and of course it matters for a company. How many of you know about ESG? Environment, social, and governance. ESG सुना है कभी? If you're an ESG professional, you will make a lot of bucks, right? Because companies today are concerned about sustainability. बहुत सारे points होते हैं, social score बढ़ता है, credit ratings बढ़ती है, loan मिलने की probability बढ़ती है. If your ESG compliance is high, right? Now, what I learned in this particular startup was decision making. One by one, I'm just telling you what were my experiences, क्या सीखा, क्या गलत किया, क्या सही किया. So scenario था मेरे पास. I joined a PhD program with IIT Bombay Monash. It's a joint PhD. 2 साल Monash University में रहने को मिलता है, 1 साल 2 साल IIT Bombay में. और social sciences में भी है. Any of you want to check out? Do check out IIT Monash. तो 2 scenarios थे मेरे पास. एक तो ये कि मैं PhD में कंटिन्यू करूं, दूसरा ये कि ड्रॉप आउट करूं. एंड द ट्रिगर वाज वी गॉट अ ह्यूज प्राइज फ्रॉम UK London Business School. They gave us our first contract for recreating the same thing at their one of their facilities. And ये ट्रिगर था, डिसीजन पेंडिंग था, 1 महीना था हमारे पास डिसाइड करने के लिए. So both of us founders, we sat down. We made a mind map. Do you understand what is a mind map? User experience सीख रहे हो तुम लोग? User flows. How do you connect everything? Mind map is essentially connecting different pieces of information. So what we did was we outlined the different outcomes with PhD and without PhD. Without PhD, of course, बहुत problem हो जाती. Sorry, with PhD बहुत problem हो जाती क्योंकि time कम था, right? My PhD was on a different topic. So I decided to drop out of my PhD. It was a bold move. बहुत ज़्यादा, I'm not very proud of it, but of course, it was the demand of the situation, and my parents are also not very proud of it. But वो miss and वो doctor का जो एक gap रहता है, that's still there. People call me Miss Sukanya, right? डॉक्टर बोलते हैं, PhD हो जाती तो. For parents it's a huge factor, but then again for the startup at that point of time we felt it was the right decision क्योंकि next 2 साल में, actually it's only a matter of 2 years that we got this startup. acquired by ITC Limited. How many of you know ITC? Indian Tobacco Company. उनको लाइसेंस कर दिया टेक्नोलॉजी एक लेवल तक ले जाके. We got our startup incubated with IIT Calcutta. We got many grants. Government grants मिले हमें. Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation ने fund किया इस प्रोजेक्ट को. They gave us a fund of about $500,000, and we could scale it up to a certain level and sell it off. Doing well now. ITC is using this technology again to manufacture cigarette liners. Cigarette के पैकेट पे जो liners होती हैं. You know why these companies want to be sustainable? Because what they are selling is actually not very good. So at some point they have to have those credit ratings. So किसी को अगर sustainability में जाना है, the product lines that you choose should be around these things, right? It actually boosts their ESG ratings. Okay. क्या किया कोविड में? घर पे सोते रहे, PUBG खेलते रहे. Very good. Anyone else? PUBG के अलावा कुछ? So 11th and 12th I believe was the COVID period, right? For you all? Right. Okay. All right, guys. Can I have your attention back? Last, if you can hear me, one clap. Left, last. Right corner, if you can hear me, two claps, please. And right corner. Right corner, two claps, please. Okay. Whenever I don't have your attention, I do this very quick to get you back. Okay? Please cooperate with us. थोड़ा सा ही है अभी. Okay. COVID आ गया. And
like to thank Ruchiman and Dr. Jatin Lama sir for their support, because they are the program coordinators for this particular club, and for them this event is possible. And directly indirectly to you people, all of you, for being so cooperative, for being so patient and letting us conduct this workshop, and our technical team here. Thank you so much.